Sorkar TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in St. Khasi College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
Ka Sorkar Zilla kadang ap yakarai nya ka Ying Bishar Meghalaya High Court. Hadian bakala tunju yakarai chong ka Kashari ka ba Kajamin ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi. Kabala Shakem bat dang don minta ha ka along halor ka jingkno don kti bantakhat jubor ya ka jingim jong ulok jongka da ka jinga sela bat uba i jongka uraj kushwaha bat kilai ngut ki palok jong u. Haga jinga krem bikala patai kubor haga nyautruk jemang aja pun rio usembut mitrang ba kajela bakmi ya katanat kampo yeng uba pres tun song ulo ong ba kamdan ya ka jing bakala na katanat jongka pulen bat ong ru ba ka Ying Bishar kan shimrai halor kani.
Well, right now I should not comment anything on that because we have already appealed to the higher court, to the Honorable High Court. So let the court decide because we contested against the bail, the bail granting done by the lower court. So as I said to you, let us wait and we'll see what the higher court says. No, in fact, from our side, we have tried our best. We have done well. And you know well, even our police officers, be it the SIT or be it anybody, we are all well equipped. Okay, as far as the handling such cases is concerned, procedures, rules, regulation has to be followed one by one. So therefore, there is no such lapses from the police side. As I said to you, let us see, because see, in the court it happens this way only. One court maybe they grant bail. The other court may stay the bail petition made. So these are the issues where ultimately, as I said, let the court decide.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa na markane ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry Pyndam bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala yakani ko umpnyang syaka biodiesel tinamar kata lembaka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.